going on, boys? Today we're gonna be doing an install video on a couple things I got for the car. It's gonna be going stage 2+ after this. It's gonna be quick. I'm just recording the intro now a little bit after the fact. Sorry if I sound a little exhausted in a lot of the clips. I really didn't get a lot of sleep through this whole process just because of working on this car and trying to get it done. Yeah, she fucking whips now. She needs to get a car wash really bad. I'll probably do a video on that soon. I didn't get a lot of clips of everything. I just kind of got everything that I could. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys later. Peace out.
Get the bag, King Walker.
Yeah, whole lot of everything. Pinky wing look like a red and rain. Riding my McLaren Spider, smoking on that Mary Jane. If it ain't no Fendi build, I put it on your membrane.
I did a little bit of shit before I left. Got that engine cowl shit out, all that shit. I got all that out, and then I also got the airbox out, and then I got diverter valves. Got to get that other one, and then I'm gonna get started on the under panels. Probably take these fucking tires off. One thing I did fucking realize is I jacked it up, put it on the fucking stands before I took the wheels off, so I have nothing to have tension on for when I'm trying to take the lug nuts off. So I think I'm gonna try some shit to get that off. Friend just got here, so I'm gonna let him in, and yeah, we're gonna get started. Alright, just a little update on the progress. Got the fucking wheels off. What we ended up doing, since we had it jacked up, we didn't have any tension on the lug nuts. We just jacked it up a little bit more and we slid these ramps underneath and then let it back down, and then we had enough tension to get the lug nuts off. And then I got all the under panels off. And then the radiator fan too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tommy's here now. It is currently... What time is it? Where the fuck's my phone? 4:01. We're gonna get back to this bitch. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Alright, it's 6:30 a.m. I'm about to get finished the first day. Got most of all the shit off. I'm gonna go fuck. What's going on, guys? I know the garage is a little fucking messy right now. Got the engine mounted. It's been a little bit since I last recorded. Like a little bit. I already got the oil pan out since it's all-wheel drive. Then I had to remove the diff, and then I had to take down the oil pan, and then I changed the gasket. I cleaned it all out. I have videos of it on my phone, so I'll probably just show you guys them at some point. But yeah, I snapped a bolt trying to torque down the oil pan screw. I went to Lowe's today and got this right here, this Craftsman set. First time I got it stuck, I was able to just drill in and I could reverse it out, and the drill bit just caught. The second time, same screw hole, same threads, it snapped again. So I don't know what's going on with those threads, but I was really careful with torquing it down. So yeah, I just tapped this and then I turned it counterclockwise and it got the screw out. Yeah, that shit sucked. It was not fun. Would not recommend snapping a bolt. Got oil back in her, making sure there's no leaks while I'm putting everything back on. So yeah, basically I just got to get those downpipes off. These bolts, I just cut this one off. I'm just gonna drill through it and tap it out because it's just, it was so rusted. You can kind of see a little bit over there, but it's just so rusted, it's not even there anymore.
Niggas loco. Please, I got 10 watches. You better watch your hoe, bro. Bitch, I'm back to ballin', but tricking is a no-no. Don't spin with.
I just update you guys a little bit. Put my diff back up in there. I also got new diff O-rings up. I got the drive shaft bolted back up. The next thing I really need to do is put the subframe back on. I have the new engine mounts that I got over here. New engine mounts are on and torqued down. These are my old ones. The old ones weren't honestly really bad. There's not a lot of play in them. So, they're really... I mean, this one is a little bit of play. So this one might have been going bad, but it's really nothing like terrible. I think they're OEM, I'm not sure, but got new ones just in case. I'm gonna be cleaning off this subframe, and then I'm gonna be trying to maneuver it back in. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, what's up, guys? I'm back. I got the subframe all bolted down and torqued. I got the steering rack all bolted down and torqued. What I'm showing you guys right now is I'm trying to get these axles in. I already got the other side. You insert them. You want to get the teeth lined up together, and then you see how there's a gap right here, and over here, that's properly seated. That's the proper amount of gap, I guess you could say. This is what I have on this side. So I just put it in, and I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I just learned. It took me a while to find it, but it was this old guy on YouTube, and it was literally the best thing ever. So I wanted to show you guys too. You have to be careful when doing this because you don't want to pull out too much on the joint right here because you'll damage the axle. You want to use that as kind of like a slide hammer. As you can see, you can kind of like push in a little bit there. So if you just... Alright, there you go. Alright, and then as you can see right there, and that's just a little quick way to do it. Now that those are properly seated, I'm going to get them in the hub. So that's going to be my next process. I'll probably get with you guys next when I have all the wheel components and suspension on. I do have to change this tie rod end right.
I don't know you nigga, that's a no-go. I got water on water trying to hold my breath. Money talks and it seems to me that these niggas deaf. This bitch got a fat ass, I ask Gazak for some help. The way I beat that pussy.
What's going on, guys? Got a lot done since last time. I ended up getting this tie rod end out. So I'm going to clean the rust off and put some WD-40 on it and then put the new one on and then get started on hooking up all the suspension components. I scheduled an alignment appointment for tomorrow at 1 before work, so that's the timeline for this thing to get done. Alright, so I got all the suspension hooked up and torqued down. I got these tie rod end put on. Next should be just getting on the wheels and the axle nuts. Yeah, and then it's just front mount intercooler. So keep you guys updated on what's going on with that. Tommy's getting some decals off his car. Bet it up. But I'm so excited to hear what it'll sound like with the downpipes on.
I look crippled.
Yeah, you look fucking crippled.
Fuck.
Yeah. You're fucked, bud. I'm excited to see what stage 2 plus is gonna feel like, dude. Holy fuck. You excited?
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be real fucking nice. She gonna be mint. She's looking good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
I'm tired of waiting on my killers, about to do it myself. And if glitches are clay, then I guess I'm still. Hey, I've been swimming through the money.
Got everything done last night. Uploading the tune right now. Stage 2 plus. I'm gonna be running a little late for my alignment. It's supposed to be at 1. 25 seconds left. Where we at? 100. Let's go, baby. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. At least it wasn't the most comprehensive video, but at least it was a little entertaining for you guys. But yeah, we got a lot of shit done on this bitch. Got that blow off valve, we got that front mount intercooler, and then we got that downpipe. Yes sir, she sound good. She sound good. I checked some of those GoPro clips out. She sound good. Good. If you guys have any suggestions or anything you guys want me to do to the car, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely look at them and let you guys know what I think. And this is gonna be a long process, but she'll be good. When she's done, she's gonna be, she'll be mint. I know I kind of didn't really record that much of the whole process, but I kind of really thought it'd be a little boring, and I tried to get some clips of some things that would be maybe a little bit entertaining. Bitch fucking whips. She's fucking quick. I love this hoe. My God, I gotta fucking name her. I don't fucking know what to name this bitch. Thanks to all the fucking homies who came over and helped me out with this shit too. My God, some of this shit I would not been able to do by myself, and I just needed someone else like second hand to just help me. Thank you, OGs. I appreciate that shit, bro. Thank you, motherfuckers. Thank you. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. We'll see what comes next. She just looks so sexy now. I gotta get this fat ass air box out of there. Fast air box, and then it'll look good. It'll look real good. I got the ARM sticker up there. How to post up. You know what I mean? With all that ARM shit. Get a trans tune. If you're going stage 2 plus, trans tune and that E85 really made a difference. Or if you guys needed help with anything, like I said earlier, if you guys need help with anything, say something in the comments and I will for sure help you out to the best of my ability with anything I had to do. Drop a like and subscribe for more shit. So I'll see you boys later. I'm gonna go catch that motherfucker.
Yeah, they say that life's hard, I'm fascinated with death. Hey, I just put this little bad bitch back on the shelf. My left wrist look like glass, never touch crystal meth. These niggas need to get a badge, niggas 12 as hell. They be like, Glizak, how you know? It ain't hard to tell.